My name is Melanie Gillman. I'm a graphic novelist, and I'm going to teach you how to make one of my favorite types of comic books, a one-sheet comic book. This is a great little zine making method that takes a single piece of paper and turns it into a tiny little book. And it's very easy to do at home. The only materials that you will need for this are paper. Any size, any type of paper will do just fine. You can even use recycled paper that has one side printed on it and one side blank, and a pair of scissors. That is it. All right, let me show you how to do this. All right, so we're going to take our single piece of paper here, and we are going to start off by folding it into 8 even sections. For those of you who remember being taught how to do hamburger versus hot dog folding as kids, we're going to start off doing a hot dog fold. Get yourself a long, skinny rectangle like this. Then we'll do one hamburger fold. Get a rectangle like this, and one more hamburger fold. So what you should end up with is a very small little rectangle like this one here. When you unfold it, you'll see that we've now got 8 even rectangles on our piece of paper here. From here, this is our scissor step. You're going to take your paper, fold it hamburger style one more time. You should see a plus sign in the middle here. Then you're going to take your scissors and you're going to make one cut on this piece of paper. You're going to start at the fold line and you're going to go to the intersection of that plus sign. So just this one little segment from the fold to the center of the plus sign. Do that with our scissors. All right. So now we've got a little hole in the middle of our paper here. You'll know you've done it right if you kind of see a little mouth on the inside, like. All right, if you take this piece of paper that you've cut into the middle of and fold it again, hot dog style, so we get a long and skinny rectangle. If you start kind of pushing the edges together, you'll start to see that there's a little diamond in the middle of this piece of paper now. And if you take that diamond and smush it into a plus sign, then you can rotate it, fold it, smush that crease a little bit, and there you go. You've got a little book with little pages in it. And from here you can fill this with any type of comic or picture book that you would like. Professional cartoonists even still make these kind of books in our zine making practice. I pulled a couple examples out of my own library here. And the same concept goes here. These are little books made out of a single piece of paper. They've got pages on the inside, and you can fill this with any story that you would like. You can even, if you want to, unfold them and draw a special insert image on the inside of them. But this is a great way to take one single piece of blank paper and turn it into a tiny comic book. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have fun making one-sheet comics.